Still sick, but these guys gotta go to bed. We gonna go to bed soon? Are we? Hi. What's going on? Hi, Chris. Yeah? What else? I have fluffy feet. Turtle. This is the oldest here. She's just turned 7. 5. Then, so these two are gonna be 6 soon. So they're 5 right now. They're gonna be 6. Get an egg carton. And of course, why not? Alright, Vermont is acquired. Now, let's put her in the hoop. I forgot to lock it. Jesus. Alright. Hey. Come on, guys. Quick. You just poop. Oh, no. It was my sweatshirt. Hi, Lobster. Hi, Sage. Now, let's see what there's for eggs. No more eggs. Okay. That's round 2 dozen. Hi, Danny. Hi, Danny. What are you talking about, Tom? That should be probably everything for tonight.